Imagine this. Right now, as you watch this video, our entire Milky Way galaxy, with its 400 billion stars, our Sun, and our Earth, is hurtling through space at over 2 million kilometers per hour towards something we still don't fully understand. It's not a black hole. It's not a planet. It's not even a single object. Scientists call it the Great Attractor, and it might be one of the strangest mysteries in the entire universe. Nothing in the universe truly stands still. Earth spins and orbits the Sun. The Sun, along with our entire solar system, orbits the center of the Milky Way once every 230 million years. And the Milky Way itself? It's flying through the cosmos too. In the 1970s and 80s, astronomers studying galaxy movements noticed something they couldn't explain. Our galaxy, and thousands of others around us, weren't just moving randomly. They were all being pulled in the exact same direction, like water being sucked toward a drain. Something massive, somewhere out there, was tugging on all of them. This gravitational pull was first seriously studied in 1986 by astronomer Alan Dressler and a group of scientists nicknamed the Seven Samurai. By measuring how fast and in which direction nearby galaxies were moving, they realized our entire local group of galaxies, including the Milky Way, was accelerating toward one specific region of the sky at roughly 600 kilometers per second. That's about 2.2 million kilometers every hour. At that speed, you could travel from Earth to the Moon in under 10 minutes. They named this mysterious point the Great Attractor. But there was a huge problem. Nobody could actually see it, hidden behind our own galaxy. Here's the twist. The Great Attractor sits in a direction almost directly behind the flat, dense disk of our own Milky Way. This region is called the Zone of Avoidance, a band across the sky so thick with stars, gas, and cosmic dust that regular optical telescopes simply cannot see through it. For decades, this made the Great Attractor one of the most frustrating puzzles in astronomy. Scientists knew something enormous was out there, pulling on galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years. But they were, quite literally, looking at it blind. The breakthrough came when astronomers switched tools. Instead of visible light, they used X-ray telescopes, radio telescopes, and infrared observatories, instruments that can see straight through dust and gas. It's actually out there. What they found was staggering. At the heart of the Great Attractor lies a massive collection of galaxies called the Norma Cluster, located about 250 million light-years away. This cluster alone contains thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity. But here's where it gets even bigger. The Norma Cluster is just one part of an enormous structure called the laniakea supercluster, a cosmic supercluster of superclusters containing roughly 100,000 galaxies, including our own Milky Way. In the Hawaiian language, laniakea means immeasurable heaven. Yet even this massive structure doesn't fully explain the strength of the pull scientists measured. Calculations suggest there's something even larger lurking behind it. An even bigger concentration of mass called the Shapley supercluster, one of the largest known structures in the observable universe, sitting even farther away than the Great Attractor itself. So, in a strange twist, the Great Attractor isn't really pulling everything toward itself. It may actually be more like a gravitational waypoint, a massive structure we pass through on our way toward something even bigger. So, has the mystery been solved? Not entirely. Scientists now know roughly what's out there: massive galaxy clusters and superclusters. But the exact amount of mass involved, how these structures connect to each other, and how much of this motion is influenced by dark matter and dark energy are all still active areas of research. There's even a more controversial idea floating around called dark flow, a theory suggesting some galaxy clusters might be moving in ways that can't be fully explained even by the Great Attractor or Shapley supercluster, possibly hinting at structures beyond the observable universe. Most scientists remain skeptical of this idea, but it shows just how much we still don't know. What we do know for certain is this: our galaxy, our solar system, and our planet are not standing still. We are all passengers on a journey across unimaginable distances, pulled by forces so massive they're almost impossible to comprehend. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every star you see is moving with us, all of us drifting together toward a destination we still don't fully understand. What do you think is truly out there at the heart of the Great Attractor? Could there be something even bigger than the Shapley supercluster? Let me know your theory in the comments, because whatever the answer is, it might just change how we understand the entire universe.